Imagine, out of all the gigs in town, right, you're thinking, how hard can it be to stare up at the stars every night for a living? There's your answer. Talk to the bloke who's made his wife and kids drink bleach and then hung himself with barbed wire. Put the pictures up on the family's Facebook page. Honestly, there are some things you'd wish you'd never lived long enough to see. December, man, that was a pure cunt of a month. Shit rained down on you! Shit rained down! Zurum trian ipam ipames! Massacre in Egypt. Syrian bloodbath. Assad attack victim. Female genital mutilation. Breakdown of negotiations. Death toll horror. Death toll horror. Death toll horror. Fuck's sake. Block out the human static. Work has to come first. You do know what it means. The name of this place, Nan Madal. The empty spaces. Yahoo! Shite. I nearly had it. Nearly. The prick with no name awakes. Nameless. Get in the fucking trolley. Nameless is a name. Sometimes you ask yourself, what's real and what's not these days? The way I see it, everything's been fucked up since 2001 anyway. Since the towers came down. Since the pylons fell on Trump 18 and Malkuth was gathered up into Yesod. My mum died just up the road at the Western. Here we are at the Botanics now. The lights take forever. Fish fuck bullshit. Signs of the end times. I'm starting to miss me trolley. Sign of Pisces. Hebrew letter for none means fish. Fish and death. And death is da'ath. The void of the abyss. The veiled lady wishes to speak of things to come. This is the best dream I've had in years. You think you've lost a knack for this sometimes. Can I go yet? You try to steal the dream key of Nan Samwol. Key to the empty box. You surrendered your name so no one can have power over you. Yet I have power over you now. You came freely into my web. You can never leave. There is no place on earth you can run from us, for all the world is here. This room is the universe. Fair enough. The thing is, I'm what they used to call a flyman round these parts, yeah? Like the fly in my web, that's what you are. By the time you see the Wormwood Palace, it's too late. It's too late now. Well, you see, a flyman's a dodgy wee cunt. Know what I'm saying? It's always too late for the likes of me, hen. By the way, how gorgeous do you look with that parasitic larvae attached to your consciousness? Larva? She's my husband. Easy for you to say, love. I'll tell you something. You should never have brought me here. Not right into your personal dream. Right through your defences. You fucking bastard, you. So, that's me. We've spent weeks rooting around in the silt at the bottom of the dream tank. The key! Not so much lucid dreaming as the opposite. This is fucking opaque. No surprise I've come up stinking of infra shite. rotten with puke, slick, bad dreams that you can't hose off. You think this is a bus stop, mate? Just drive, will you? And Happy New Year, pal. Just get us out of here, eh? I'm in me pants, fucking freezing, driver. Please, mate. Can you just fucking drive? Oily dreams dragging us back into the mindless ooze and the black and... Oh, for fuck's sake. 4 adults, mate. Saucy Hill Street. 4 of yous. Drive. Drive, you fucking cunt. Drive. Not again. I was hired to steal a dream key. Job done. If the clients don't show up fast, I'm fucked. Welcome to the real world, by the way. Sphere of Malkuth. Sphere of the 4 elements. The archangels. The primary colours of matter. Earth, air, fire, and water. Ooh, shite. Water. Freezing. Fucking. Actual. Minus 10 degrees. Life expectancy. 33 seconds. This is real life. This is 30 seconds. 28. Get him out of there. 20. It's alright. You're in shock. Just keep breathing. We got you. Stay with me. Nameless. Nameless? I don't know what else to call you. We're almost there. They want to talk to you. It's very important. Shh. I'm working. I'm making spirit art. Dream techie drawn. Every detail of the key I saw. Waiting for you. I said, shh. I'm just about done, right? That's it. You can 3D print a perfect copy of the dream key from that. Now, anybody want to tell me why you'd need something like this? The empty spaces? The boat? The weapons? Are you one of these sexy government agents or what? What exactly is this? Government? Every government in the world is pissing its pants right about now and wishing they'd invested in a serious space program. The people I'm with, the people who dragged you into all this, care more about the future than any government. Here, I want you to meet one of the billionaires. Paul Darius. So nice to finally say hello, Paul Darius. Excuse the radio delay. I hope we haven't inconvenienced you too much, sir. But this is an unprecedented situation. Yeah, Happy New Year, mate. Wait, Darius? The space scientist? The computer bloke? I'm sorry I can't be with you in person. You'll understand why that is in a moment. Sophia's been taking good care of you, I hope. Please bear with me and don't walk away just yet. I'd like to show you something. I'm hoping this might explain this offer I'm about to make. Do you recognize this? Yeah. It's the door to the anti-universe. The people who just tried to kill me call it the Gate of Az. Allow me to reduce the magnification of the one we're looking at. As you can probably see, there's something quite unusual about this particular sigil. In fact, MR Tech estimates the glyph is about 3 miles tall and about half a mile wide. It's carved into the side of a C-type asteroid. Asteroid 626000 to be precise, also known as Yabalba, 14 miles in length, 6 miles across. currently traveling towards us at 50,000 miles per hour. Wait a minute. What? Oh, there's no doubt. Xibalba is on a collision course with the planet Earth. We have 33 days before an extinction-level impact somewhere in the northern Pacific Ocean. 33 days. Panic will break out long before then, of course. Breakdown of law and order, further suicides and cult killings. We can only block the shore road here for another 10 more minutes. We need you to help us save the world, Mr. Nameless. You see, we are not without hope. Xibalba. 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 Xibalba, the Mayan underworld. The place of fear. If this is for real, if this isn't some astronomical trick of the light like that face on Mars, why the fuck would you even need me? The dream key you retrieved proved your value to us. You have no living family, no friends. You're on the run from the police and the Veiled Ladies Network. We know what happened 13 years ago. We know about the breakdown. We know why you've lived like a hunted animal for over a decade. Well, you know too fucking much. Maybe you can understand why I might just welcome an asteroid impact. We thought you'd welcome a chance to put things right. A chance to escape from all this. A chance to increase your fee 100-fold. What good's money when extinction shuts all the shops? I'm an expert on the occult, pal. I don't think even I can stop an asteroid using ritual magic. There won't be an impact. We have a plan. But we need your help. For reasons that will become clear when you join us here, we need you to protect our crew from, well, malign influences. At this late stage, refusal is out of the question, I'm afraid. Here, I'm speaking to you from the dark side of the moon. We've already guaranteed our own safety. Obviously, we'd prefer if you join us of your own free will. Obviously. Do I get space training? Ha! You'll get a sick bag and a pat on the head if you're lucky. This is your fault. Sophia? There follows irrefutable confirmation from the Minor Planet Center and MR Tech. Xibalba is on its way. An hour later, she says, pointing to the spaceship that will take us to the fucking moon. She says they've got it all worked out and nobody needs to be afraid. And all I can say is, this is fucking bullshit. Space? It must have been on your bucket list. It was always on mine. You even get your own space helmet, see? Bucket list. Shit. Now it's January, and the morning air is bitter with the smoke of fallen fireworks. From Earth to the moon, Malkuth to Yesod, shit rains down, and nothing is real.